At the moment, Arabic subtitles is available for this video, and you can find it by going to settings and switching the subtitles from English to Arabic. And there you go, you will start seeing the Arabic subtitles. So, Ms. Susanne, thank you so much for your help, also for Miss Eva and for everyone in the library. It was really, you're not in the video.
I have to say thank you for advertising us.
No, you really changed my life somehow. I was here, coming here, knowing nothing. I needed to get the C1 in TOEFL in English, and I didn't know where to go. Online is a little bit overwhelming with YouTube and all stuff, so here was really the best choice. I mean, you have everything here, and you have a great staff. They will help you in everything, and you can see now they are very collaborative. We are doing a YouTube video, and they are very open-minded about it. Thanks for everyone. Thank you for watching, and in case you like this video, don't forget to share it. So the Nuremberg Library is really attractive. Not only, of course, Nuremberg Library, all the libraries in Germany are very attractive and very helpful. So whenever you need help, you know now where to find the information. Just come to the library. So don't forget to pay it a visit and enjoy your time. Hi!